All right, quick walk around on the 35 horsepower Vanguard unit with the gas soft wash unit. I try to make a lot of videos to keep updating the equipment. I have to slow down, take a deep breath. I get excited around equipment. 37 years of it here. Powerline Industries, that's what you're getting when you buy from us. Experience, quality, fair pricing. Would rather apologize once for a fair pricing, right? Than apologize forever for a piece of junk. Man, I see some real junk out there, man. Hey, let's bolt together this trailer. Hope those bolts holds up. Let's put 13-inch tires on there, you know, wheelbarrow tires. Yeah, we're going to haul 8,000 pounds of water. No problem, right? I get out there a little bit. Go quality. If you're going to actually use it, if you're going to use it once in a while, we got great competitors. I have no problem with competition. It's just not our category. If you're a professional washer, want professional equipment, that's us, okay? So let's go over real quick. I don't know what I cover in other videos, so I try to cover it. This you can put a pintle hitch on. You can also adjust this. Been fantastic hitch on there. This trailer is made Super Duty. We're having horrific price increases. Trailer guy came in last week that we work with hand in hand every day. Says, oh, we can cheapen up the trailer. We can use skinnier tube. This is 3/16 tube. We can go down to 1/4 inch. We can go, instead of diamond plate steel deck, which is horribly expensive. He says, yeah, we can go to the smooth plate. I said, well, yeah, but on the other hand, why not pay the extra money and have a better product? Then it's going to last. It's just not us, right? 35 horsepower. Cross our fingers. We're hoping we can still get them into the next year. Stainless steel's super high demand, hard to get. We get a little wind blowing trash through here. But this is our 35 horsepower. One of the largest, if not the largest, produced motor out there. It's a Vanguard motor. This is the big block. Does suck fuel on the one hand, but if you want your job done fast, this is the tool. I'm not going to take this unit out, but I'm taking a 35 horsepower out and doing some washing this afternoon with Freddie. Freddie, you're coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
TSF 2021 belt driven. I mean, just look at the fittings, our dual filter system on there. It's just a great setup. This unit's fully upgraded. That's one reason I wanted to make the video. This unit's got the strobe light, Super Duty toolbox. This is what we sell into the plumbing industry through our hot jet division. We make jetters to clean the drain lines. We also got combo units, jetter / power washer, that like meat companies are buying, some property companies are buying that. So if you want this made into a jetter, we can do it. We enclose the cabinet, put remote control on, and hydraulic drive hose reel that cleans the drain lines. We also teach for that industry. We love both industries. They're not going anywhere. We can put your signage here. So ask your rep about the package. So we got the upgraded package that has the cones, strobe light, signage, toolboxes. And these are controlled back here. You can see the strobe light. Come on around, Freddie. Now, depending on what's in stock, I can't tell you exactly which surface cleaner we're going to have. This is the Steel Eagle. We love Steel Eagles. But we either have that, or we have the Mossmatic, or we have Whisper Wash. All three great products. A little tough to get material. Same with the soft wash pump. This is the Comet. We've had pretty good luck with it. you got to maintain them, or they do need love. Engines, we either got Honda or Kohler. They're both very, very similar. They probably come out of the same plant. This is a batch system. So this is to batch your mixes. The proportioners, we love and hate those. When they're running, we love them. We can do it on the gas system. But this way you can batch your mixes for small jobs, and you're not dealing with the super strong, I want to say H2S, I got that in my brain. That's hydrogen sulfide. Just taught a plumbing class. So with the SH, sodium hypochlorite. So that's, because I'm not in love with real strong sodium hypochlorite, but it does a job. It will lighten the job, kills the algae, but it's rough on the surfaces and hard to handle, and I don't like breathing it. Okay, so here's the other signage. These units come with the upgraded wheels. Again, we're not sure exactly which wheel will come, but we do have good lines on mags. I mean, you can just see the quality of these toolboxes. They do lock, they come with the keys. Passenger side pull out for the hoses. These are mark resistant. Doesn't mean they won't leave a mark, but the hoses we use are mark resistant. We like this gray hose at Suttner. You got an evap catch tank. Nobody's got those, that's exclusive. Big burner, big battery box. This unit does have the generator. Generators are getting in short supply. They're sitting on some boat, slow boat coming from Italy, not China. Our exclusive control panel on this. So this is our fully upgraded package. Call for more info. We're still getting product right out. No matter where you're at, just let us know. We do have great financing if you need it, whether it's a company finance or individual. We can help you best we can. We want to make sure our finance people are fair too. So, but thanks for all the support over the years. Call for any info. Take care. Thank you.